Ever wondered how all the greenbacks, coins, and cash in your wallet are actually made? What's the process behind printing all the money that fuels the US economy? In this video, we'll go behind the scenes to reveal the intriguing details on how the US Department of Treasury and the Federal Reserve actually design, safeguard, print, and distribute all the physical US dollars in circulation today. We'll explore the advanced security measures, specialized facilities, and complex procedures used to manufacture the 25 million notes produced each day, totaling over $800 million. From raw materials to finished legal tender, we'll demystify the fascinating high-tech process of how money is made in America. It all begins at the Bureau of Engraving and Printing's Development Division, tasked with originating new currency designs and security features. Extensive measures protect the integrity of designs, including cryptographic digital devices, securing design elements, and armed police guarding facilities 24/7. Designs contain multiple complex security features embedded throughout each note, like color-shifting ink, microprinting, watermarks, and security threads. Ultra-high-resolution backgrounds are digitally composed to deter counterfeiting. All digital files are encrypted and stored on isolated networks to prevent hacking or leaks. To print money, raw materials must first be acquired by authorized vendors. Cotton and linen paper supplied by Crane & Co. is used due to its durability. The green tint comes from yellow and blue dyes. Metallic security strips and inks use trace metals like iron, chromium, and copper. Independent audits continually verify all materials to prevent illegal use. Suppliers must qualify through rigorous assessments, verifying security and quality controls. Facilities mix their inks in-house to exact specifications, matching the colors and properties needed. Specialized intaglio inks give US currency its distinct raised texture. Sophisticated metallic inks contain color-shifting properties only achieved through precision particle size and shape. Inks are mixed following tightly controlled recipes before being transported to printing facilities in armored vehicles with armed escorts. 32-note printing sheets are loaded into advanced intaglio presses, designed specifically for mass currency production. During printing, sheets pass between engraved printing plates and rollers over 16 times, applying millions of pounds of pressure to impression cylinders to transfer the ink onto the paper. This printing method gives currency its unique tactile feel. Sheets zigzag through the presses, each containing up to 96,000 notes rapidly printed front and back. Presses operate 24/7 under strict access controls and surveillance. Printed sheets are manually inspected for any imperfections before finishing. Highly trained examiners check alignment, ink quality, and embedded security features. Automated guillotine cutters containing over 100 blades precisely slice each 32-note sheet into separate individual notes. An advanced web of belts and pulleys transports and aligns the notes through multiple finishing machines that trim, clean, and process the edges for smoothness and durability. Additional inspection and counting verify that all notes are completed perfectly. To combat counterfeiting, completed notes run through high-speed currency authentication verification and inspection systems performing over 70 forensic tests. Notes are digitally scanned at 300 dpi, assessing ultra-high-resolution details down to the micron level. Advanced sensors check the paper texture, inks, watermarks, and embedded security features, instantly flagging the slightest deviations from authentic currency profiles. Questionable notes are isolated for further enhanced investigation and analysis by counterfeit specialists. Finished notes are bundled into bricks of 4,000 notes each, meticulously counted, sealed, and labeled. Pallets of sealed cash bricks, totaling over $300 million apiece, are shipped in unmarked armored vehicles containing extensive security and GPS tracking to Federal Reserve banks. From here, currency is distributed to financial institutions nationwide to supply businesses and consumers with cash in circulation. Currency continues to be closely monitored as it circulates, eventually getting returned to the Fed when worn out. Coins are manufactured by striking blanks stamped from coiled sheets of aluminum and nickel alloys for cents through quarters, copper nickel for dimes, and cupronickel containing copper, nickel, and manganese for half dollars, dollar coins, and other denominations. Blanks are struck by high-speed presses containing a die with inverted relief images of the coin designs. Powerful single blows imprint the coin's face and back with fine detailing for billions of coins each year. Coins undergo thorough inspection, packaging, and distribution similar to banknotes. To stay ahead of counterfeiters, Currency technology continually evolves with new security features. Ongoing research assesses new anti-counterfeiting technologies like embedded holograms, iris inks, biometric authentication, and machine-readable elements. Updating security features requires balancing enhanced protection against usability and cost. Any changes must work seamlessly within the existing cash infrastructure used daily by citizens and businesses. While only a broad overview, this provides a glimpse at the intensive procedures and unparalleled security surrounding the entire monetary production system, crucial for maintaining the integrity and stability of US currency. Of course, there are even more fascinating details and developments as currency technology continually evolves to stay ahead of counterfeiters. The next time you get cash from an ATM, you'll know the intricate process behind originating, safeguarding, and manufacturing those funds.